In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print one page only in Microsoft Word. If you have a Microsoft Word document with several pages, but only need to print one specific page, you do not have to print the entire document. Word gives you an option to choose exactly which page you want to print. First, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the page you want to print. Take note of the page number so you can select it when you open the print settings. Once you are ready, go to the File tab at the top left corner of Microsoft Word. This will open the Backstage menu. From here, click Print. The print settings will now appear. Before printing the document, look for the section that controls which pages will be printed. By default, Word may be set to print the entire document. To print only one page, select the option for printing a custom range of pages. A field will appear where you can enter the page number you want to print. For example, if you only want to print page 5, enter 5 in the page field. This tells Microsoft Word that you only want that specific page instead of all the pages in the document. After entering the page number, check the print preview on the right side of the window. This allows you to confirm that the correct page is selected before you send the document to the printer. Once you've confirmed that the correct page is selected, choose your printer and check any other available print settings you need. When everything looks correct, click Print. Microsoft Word will then send only the selected page to your printer. The other pages in your document will not be printed. This method is especially useful when you have a long document but only need a single page, such as a specific form, a particular section of a report, or one page that needs to be replaced. If you need to print a different page later, simply return to the same print settings and enter the page number you want. You can use this method whenever you need to print only a specific page from your document. Before printing, always check the page number and preview so you can make sure you're printing exactly the page you need. And that's how you can print one page only in Microsoft Word without printing the entire document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,